Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Rajan Livestream Blogs. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery for car remote key. So if you're not sure about how to change the battery for your car remote, I'm going to show you through now. So this is the Ford Mondeo and most cars are common like this. So it's very easy and simple way to change it. Just have to follow me. And so let's go. I'm going to show you how to change the battery for car remote. So this is the car remote key and I'm going to show you through how I change the battery. So first of all, take the key out. Take the key out. I took the key out here now. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to detach the compartment from the car remote now, first of all. So how I'm going to do it, so all you need a small screwdriver. You need a small pin screwdriver. And here, if you can see, there is a one small hole in here. There, if you can see that, one small hole. So put the screwdriver in and give it a good squeeze in here. Good squeeze. Now it's split. Take it out. There you go. So now the battery is in this compartment. So for that I need little bigger screwdriver, flat face screwdriver. So what I'm going to do now, to got this small flat face screwdriver. Again here, if you can see some gaps in here, there are some gaps. So put the screwdriver in there. Give it a good squeeze. There you go. Now I've got the compartment out and here are the battery. It's easy to take the battery out now. So there are some gaps in this between the battery and the plastic compartment here as well. So put the screwdriver in, give it a squeeze out. Now battery is out. Here you go. So and then you just have to buy the battery if you need to replace the battery, and there is a battery number as well, model number here. So for my one is CR2032, which means CR2032. That's a 3-volt lithium battery. So if you can see it here, look, is there is a battery model name as well. So if you have to replace your car battery, you've got to open your car remote key, then find the model number. But most car remote have this similar battery type. So but you definitely need to get the same model number, CR whatever the number you have in your car remote, buy the same one, then it's easy to replace it back. So how I'm going to do it, so again the battery, this part goes down. Put the battery in down, put it in, give it a good push, push it in. Now use the battery compartment here like this, remote part and the battery part. Okay, here you go. Give it a good push. Now you can hear the click. It's been clicked. That means the compartment is secure now. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do, oh, I haven't attached my keyring now, so let's squeeze it out again. I haven't attached my keyring. This here, there is a little gap. Good squeeze in here. Battery, this bit goes down. Good push. It didn't click in. Okay, so there you go. It's pretty simple. That's it. Battery is in. Now I could hear the click. It's been clicked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my keyring in. That's not important, but it's up to you, but I need it. Okay, I put it in first. And now I'm going to reattach my plastic compartment, remote one. Okay, give it a good push. Now it's been clicked. I can hear the click as well. That means it's fully secure. Now it's time to put the key side back. So this one also very easy. Just make sure you put it in the right way. Then give it a good hard push. Push it in. Now that's it. It's been clicked on. I heard the clicked. That means it's fully secured. Here you go. The remote is working now. So this is how I change the car remote battery, and most cars are similar. Most after 2005 cars are pretty much similar. So you could, this is how to change the car remote battery. But make sure when you purchase the battery, you got to have the same model number, otherwise it might not fit in your car remote. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you find my video is helpful to you, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.